Okay, YouTube, part 2, V10 exhaust manifold, broken bolt extraction. Basically what I'm using is I'm just using 2 extensions, a swivel, and a 13mm socket. I moved the passenger side motor mount out of the way. You got 2 bolts that go through pointed towards the rear, and then, no, 2 that go through pointed towards the front, and 1 that goes through to the rear, and that's how they should go back in, because that's how they're easily accessed. Basically, this is what we've got. Bottom bolts are out, and one of them was already broken. Let's see if I can get my light out of here. There you can see that bolt was already broken. That one's out. The nut came off that, but not the stud, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and extract the stud. It's a small Allen socket that takes those out of there. They've got an Allen head. I forget what size it is, but I'll post it in the final video whenever I'm installing everything. So basically, took the motor mount out, supported it with this big long triangle jack. Basically raised the motor up enough to where the bolts in the side of the head would clear the side of the frame, so I can get a swivel and socket in there. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going each one and heating it up with the torch until it's cherry red. I mean, literally the sucker spins right out of there. Everybody's afraid to heat up aluminum because it takes forever for it to get hot, but once it's hot it takes a while for it to cool down. I think that's the rule of thumb, or it's the other way around. I'm a diesel mechanic. I don't really try to get too involved in the gist of everything. I just know how to do it. So anyway, that's video 2, and we'll proceed on to video 3 when I'm installing everything and torquing it all down.